In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock WhatsApp with Face ID or Fingerprint. Adding a biometric lock to WhatsApp is an easy way to keep your chats private, even if someone gets hold of your phone. Before you open WhatsApp, make sure your device already has a fingerprint or facial recognition set up in the main settings app. If it's not set yet, pause and add your fingerprint, Face ID, or your phone's equivalent. WhatsApp relies on that system level biometric, so it won't work without it. Now open WhatsApp on your phone. On Android, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. On iPhone, just go to the Settings section inside WhatsApp. From there, select Privacy. This is where WhatsApp groups all of its security and data controls. Scroll down to the bottom of the privacy page and choose App Lock. Depending on your device, you might see it called Screen Lock or Fingerprint Lock, but the function is the same. This feature adds a biometric requirement before anyone can open the app. Turn on the option labeled Unlock with Biometric or Unlock with Fingerprint. When you enable this, WhatsApp will ask you to confirm your identity. Follow the prompt to scan your fingerprint or your face. If you're using a fingerprint, place the pad of your finger squarely on the sensor and hold it for a moment so it registers cleanly. For face unlock, make sure you're in good light and hold the phone at eye level. If the scan doesn't take on the first try, don't worry, just try again until you see the confirmation. Once it's on, choose how quickly the app should lock itself after you stop using it. You'll see timing options such as locking immediately or after a short delay. For maximum security, pick the immediate option so the app requires your biometric every time you reopen it. If you want a bit more convenience when hopping between apps, select a brief delay. You can change this setting anytime if your needs shift. A couple of notes to keep in mind. The biometric data stays on your device. WhatsApp only asks your phone to verify you. If the biometric fails, your device's passcode or screen lock is typically used as a fallback. Also, even with app lock on, your notification previews might still show message content unless you adjust notification settings on your phone or within WhatsApp's privacy options. That's it. You've added a strong layer of protection to your chats. Close WhatsApp, reopen it, and you should see the biometric prompt. Thanks for watching and enjoy the extra peace of mind.